Hey guys, Just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty. Look at this beautiful setting here. You know where I'm standing? This is in beautiful New Hartford, Connecticut. It is a wonderful townhouse located at River Run here. You have amazing river views. If you like to fish, if you like to kayak, if you like to tube into Satan's Kingdom through New Hartford into Canton, this is it. You are so close. Look at right behind me, just off of the living room, is this amazing view of the water. You're going to be able to see this every single day from your bedroom, from your living room, your dining area, and you're going to feel like you're on vacation year round. Come on by, come visit us if you want to check it out and set up your own private tour. This one's not going to last long. It is priced to move. The best part about this too, besides this outstanding view that you get fishing, you can do the kayaking. You also have condo fees that include your heat and hot water. You've got a 1-car attached garage. It's really wonderful. Second floor laundry. It's been totally updated. Updated kitchen, nice new carpet, freshly painted. You name it, it's here. Give us a buzz, 860-325-2484, or check it out on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.